Hi Ray, we're here at the unit 125. Let me take a quick walk through for you. We've got the kitchen over to the right here. Here's your appliances. You got a Frigidaire, dishwasher, GE profile fridge. The microwave is also GE, as well as the stove. Now there is a table that belongs here, however they've got it in the guest bedroom. So as we come around, you've got the guest bedroom over here. Notice you've got tile throughout, which is really nice. And then this is the table. They're using this as a computer center, the tenants, but that's the table and chair that really go over in the kitchen area. Nice little setup here. You got your bifold closet, and then just off of here, you've got another linen closet right here. That's your AC closet. Then you've got the guest bath. Within the guest bath, you do have the washer and dryer. Both of these, one is a Maytag, the dryer, the washer is a GE. And then coming out into the main living areas, you've got your dining table here. They don't have any bar stools set up, but you can definitely add those in if you like. You've got this nice little seating bench here. Then you've got your living area space with your additional seating. Out here, your lanai. You've got plenty of room for seating. And then you've got a nice view of the Rookery Bay Preserve back here. And last but not least, we have the master. Again, tile in all the rooms, which is really nice. That's a king-size bed. Then you've got his and hers style closets. There's one there, and then across you've got the other one here. And then you've got your master bath with your standalone shower, commode, and linen closet. All right, so that is it here. And I'll just run back in the kitchen real quick and show you a few of the things that are in the pantry here. And then you're buying a turnkey, so you're gonna get everything like the plates, forks, spoons, knives, those kind of things. So all the different things in the cabinets here will be included. All of the little appliances, so on and so forth, will all be included as well. So you've got all this, everything ready to go. And then here's the inside of your oven. Looks pretty clean, like they're not doing a whole lot of cooking. So that's it. That's all we got for you, Ray. Hope you like it.